Good morning, everyone. What a glorious day for me to have this opportunity to stand in front of this congregation and talk about a mission that's incredibly important to me. My name is Mary Womsley, and I serve on the board of Josselyn, along with several other KUC members who are here with us today. I'd like to begin by saying thank you to the Outreach and Benefit Committee for your continued support and also for highlighting Josselyn at this year's benefit. Thank you so much. So what do? Josselyn is actually the community mental health center for the entire North Shore. Remarkably, we serve 100 zip codes. 96% of our clients are low income, who without our sliding scale payment would go without care. For over 70 years, we've been a part of this community, and we've worked to ensure that everyone has equitable access to the highest quality mental health care. We provide comprehensive outpatient therapy, psychiatry, supported employment, and many intensive child and adolescent programs. We are in Northfield, Northbrook, Waukegan, and virtually. Notably, we are one of the very few providers in all of northeastern Chicagoland that accepts Medicaid. The pandemic has brought about a 75% increase in the number of clients seeking help. To meet this demand, we've increased our clinical staff so we can remain responsive to the needs of our community. Despite this substantial rise in clients, we have kept our intake wait time to under 5 days. Having the ability to see a new patient when they are in crisis can be life-changing. I'd like to share an example of a teen named Tony. Tony was struggling before the pandemic, and the isolation that was brought about only added to his stressors. Unable to interact with friends, Tony became incredibly disconnected and depressed. At first, he was hesitant to reach out and talk to a therapist, but because Josselyn was able to quickly respond, Tony was connected with one of our professional staff. After he'd been with his therapist for a while, Tony sent an email and said this: "It means a lot to me that you helped when I was lost and confused, and most importantly, scared. You helped me so much. You impacted my life in a positive way. Thank you for showing me how special I am." This is just one example of the many emails that we receive each week, and if they're not in emails, they're in private conversations with our staff at Josselyn. Our vision is mental health for all. We have an ambitious 5-year strategic plan to triple our number of clients to 10,000 by opening more clinical locations in the 100 zip codes we currently serve. This would not only expand our services, but create greater accessibility for so many more that are in need. If you'd like to learn more about Josselyn, please reach out to me after the service or visit josselyn.org. And thank you again so much for the impact that you're making on mental health for our community.